International media once again blamed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the dire situation of COVID in India. India now has an average of over 3.5 million infections and more than 3,000 deaths every day. An editorial in the French newspaper Le Monde on Wednesday blamed the Prime Minister for this situation. It has been said that the unexpected change of coronavirus as well as Prime Minister Modi's arrogance, recklessness and attempts to gain popularity have been blamed for the situation. Even at the beginning of February, when the infection was under control in the country, India sent anti-COVID vaccines to various countries. The French newspaper quoted the vaccine diplomacy as saying, at the time India presented itself as the world's drug stockpile. The idea was that they were providing millions of vaccines abroad with adequate vaccines for themselves. In just 3 months, it has turned into a nightmare. Narendra Modi's lack of foresight, zeal and arrogance to brighten his image have pushed India into this situation. The situation is now out of control. Foreign help is needed in fact. Besides Narendra Modi, the BJP government at the centre has also come to a standstill. In the wake of last year's nationwide lockdown, the newspaper said the Prime Minister created an atmosphere of panic by brutally capturing the country in 2020, ignoring the millions of migrant workers to prevent infection. He himself broke the safety rules earlier this year. It is further alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has ignored the advice of the health advisors and experts in the polls in several states in this year. He was rather more concerned with building his own image than protecting the people of the country. He has held one public meeting after another by blowing up the COVID protocols. By allowing mass gatherings like Aquarius has paved the way for the transition. A recent article in The Australian, a leading Australian newspaper, said that the second wave of corona infections has pushed India to the brink of catastrophe. Earlier, the original article was published in the Sunday Times. Bureau Report, Halabol.